Do you want to save money and get discounts on your favorite websites? If so, you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you 5 tested and confirmed apps that will help you find coupon codes, cashback deals, and exclusive savings. No hassle, no scams. The best part is that all of these apps are free to use, and you can combine them to maximize your savings. Whether you're shopping for groceries, clothes, electronics, or just about anything else online, these apps can help you get the best deals available. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to check the description below, where I've linked all the apps so you can start using them right away. Now let's dive into the first app, which is Inbox Dollars. If you've never heard of Inbox Dollars before, it's a rewards platform that has been around for years and has paid millions of dollars to its users. It allows you to earn money in several ways, including taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and reading emails. But one of its best features is the coupon section. Here's how it works. Once you sign up and log in, go to the Coupons tab, where you'll find various printable coupons for everyday items, like groceries, beauty products, and household essentials. You can print them out and use them at participating stores, just like you would with regular coupons. But here's where it gets even better. Every time you use a coupon, not only do you save money at the store, but Inbox Dollars also rewards you with cash back directly into your account. Over time, these small savings can add up, and once you hit the payout threshold, you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal or redeem them for gift cards. If you live in the US, this is definitely one of the easiest ways to save money while shopping. The next app that you should definitely check out is MyPoints. MyPoints is very similar to Inbox Dollars in the sense that it's a rewards platform that offers multiple ways to earn. However, its coupon feature is one of the most useful for people who love to save money while shopping. Once you create an account, you can browse through a wide range of available coupons, print them, and use them at participating retailers. Every time you use a coupon, you not only save money on your purchase, but you also earn points that you can later redeem for cash or gift cards. Unlike some other coupon apps that only offer savings, MyPoints gives you double benefits. You get the discount plus rewards for using the coupon. Another great thing about MyPoints is that it also offers digital coupons, meaning that in some cases, you don't even need to print them out. You can just scan them at the store or enter the promo code online. MyPoints is currently available in the US and Canada, so if you're in one of these countries, you should definitely take advantage of it. Now, moving on to our third app, we have Fetch Rewards. Now, Fetch Rewards is slightly different from the first 2 apps because instead of offering traditional coupons, it works by giving you cash back on your purchases through receipt scanning. Here's how it works. After you go shopping, simply take a picture of your receipt using the Fetch Rewards app, and you'll earn points based on the items you purchased. The best part is that Fetch Rewards works with almost any retailer, so it doesn't matter where you shop. You can earn points from grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and even online purchases. These points can then be redeemed for gift cards to places like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Sometimes Fetch also has special promotions where certain brands offer extra points for purchasing their products, which can help you accumulate rewards even faster. If you're someone who does a lot of shopping and wants an easy way to earn rewards without having to clip coupons, Fetch Rewards is a great option. Plus, it's available for both iOS and Android, so anyone can use it. Next up, we have Swagbucks, which is one of the largest and most popular rewards platforms out there. If you've been looking for ways to save money and earn rewards online, you've probably come across Swagbucks at some point. It's available in most countries and offers a wide range of ways to earn, including surveys, watching videos, playing games, and of course using coupons. The way it works is simple. You check the Swagbucks coupon section, find deals that interest you, and use them at participating stores. Sometimes, these coupons will give you direct discounts, and in other cases, they work more like cashback offers, where you get a certain percentage of your money back after making a purchase. In some cases, Swagbucks even lets you earn points when you redeem coupons at physical stores, which is a great way to save money both online and offline. Finally, we have Ibotta, which is one of the best cashback apps available for US shoppers. Unlike traditional coupon apps, Ibotta works by giving you cash back after you make a purchase. The way it works is simple. Before you go shopping, open the Ibotta app and check for available cashback offers on the items you plan to buy. Then, after making your purchase, upload your receipt and Ibotta will credit your account with cashback. One of the best things about Ibotta is that it partners with a huge number of retailers, from grocery stores to clothing shops to electronics stores. In some cases, you can even link your store loyalty card to the app, so your cashback is automatically applied without needing to upload a receipt. So there you have it, 5 tested and confirmed apps that will help you get coupon codes, cashback, and exclusive discounts while shopping online or in stores. Each of these apps is free to use, and if you want to maximize your savings, I highly recommend using multiple apps at the same time. Whether you prefer traditional printable coupons, digital coupon codes, or cashback offers, there's an option here for everyone. Before you go, don't forget to check the description below for the links to all these apps so you can start saving money today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more money saving tips. Also, let me know in the comments which of these apps you've tried before, or if you have any other favorite ways to save money while shopping. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.